Hi, I'm Eddie with GuardAir, and this is the Contain-It Kit. The perfect accessory for your GuardAir gun vac or flexible gun vac. Simply detach the gun vac vacuum bag and attach the vacuum hose for an additional 5 gallons of storage capacity. Capable of collecting metal chips, bakery crumbs, sawdust, sand, or other debris, the Contain-It Kit is ideal for use in machine shops, foundries, woodworking shops, automotive repair facilities, or anywhere where shop housekeeping is critical. Portable and easy to empty, the Contain-It Kit comes with a heavy-duty chemical-resistant 5-gallon plastic container, a weighted lid that provides an airtight and safe vacuum seal, a standard cartridge filter, and 10 feet of 1 1/4 inch flexible vacuum hose. The Contain-It Kit is available either as a standalone accessory or with the gun vac or flexible gun vac. So vacuum up your shop debris and contain it with the GuardAir Contain-It Kit. For more information, visit our website at guardair.com.